In this video, I'm going to show you how to send photos quicker with Google Messages on Android. So this is a new feature for Google Messages, so if you haven't received this feature yet, then please be patient. It will eventually come to you. If you do have this feature, let me show you how to set it up. So open up Google Messages on your phone and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Messages Settings, and you hopefully should see a new option here just under where it says Bubbles. It says send photos faster, resolution is reduced for faster sending. So it is automatically switched on for me. However, if you don't have this switched on and you do want to send photos faster, then make sure that you toggle that switch on. So basically what this does is it reduces the resolution of the photo that you're sending, something quite similar to what WhatsApp would do. And that's basically all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.